Hi, welcome to Enchantment with Angel. Today's enchanting recipe is Madurai's famous Kari Dosa. So let's get started. To a pan, add some oil and to that add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute well till it changes color. Add a handful of curry leaves. This gives a nice flavor. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well for a minute. And now to this add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. It's time to add seasonings. Half a spoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon meat masala, and salt according to taste. Now saute this on a low heat till everything blends together. Now it's time to add the hero of the dish, half kilo of minced meat. I have used hand minced meat. If using hand minced meat, pressure cook it for about 10 minutes. If using machined minced, just add some water and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. No need to pressure cook. If you find some water after opening, cook for a little while till it becomes thick. Now it's time to make the famous Kari Dosa. To a dosa pan, add a big ladle of dosa batter. Now crack open 1 egg and mix it well with the batter. Once the egg and the dosa batter is mixed together, it's time to add the minced meat. Egg helps the minced meat to stick to the dosa. Since this is a thick dosa, cook it on a low heat. It's time to drizzle some oil. So once the color has changed at the bottom, gently flip it over. Drizzle some oil the other side too. Once the meat is roasted on the other side, serve it hot. I am sure you will fall in love with this recipe. Do give it a try. Until we meet again, happy cooking!